Guys, today is the day. We're going ahead and sending Stella off to Bodywork and Paint. We're gonna go drop it off by the body shop, see what they can do, negotiate some stuff, and yeah, I don't have too much time right now because the tow truck guy is already here, so we got to do this quick. This is it, boys. She's out here. Finally getting ready to tow this thing off. The time has finally come. We are currently on the way, guys. There she is in front of us, right there. There she is, guys, in all of her glory, getting ready to get painted. Honestly, I still can't believe this is actually happening. Like, I don't know, I just can't believe this is actually happening right now. Like, after so long, she's finally getting painted. She dropped off way over here, so we're ready. Gosh dang. Crazy to think that once these guys are done with this car, it's gonna be totally brand new. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm like a little kid at a dang candy store. Like, this is awesome. Honestly, I forget to realize just how small this car is. Gosh damn. Well guys, that's it. This is exactly where she rests until her resurrection. I cannot wait. This is gonna be crazy. Everything is signed and sealed, and Stella is booked and ready to dang paint. I can't wait for you guys to see, and I can't even wait to see what the hell this thing's gonna turn into. It's gonna be so nice. After this, we're pretty much ready to start modifying the car and actually like doing stuff with the dang car, which is just the best feeling ever. But of course, still gonna have to get it registered after paint and all that stuff, so still gotta do that, but I am surely gonna be missing it, that's for sure. But give it a few weeks and this thing will be coming back on 100. All right, that's it. See you later. Goodbye. Alright guys, well, that's it. She is gone for the next like week, 2 weeks. We'll see how long the turnaround time is, but yo, this is gonna be crazy. But anyway, back into Riley. You know, one thing I can't wait for is actually to finally be able to actually take pictures with Stella, with the Delsol, actually out and not always in the driveway and stuff like that all the time. So it'll be definitely different and it'll feel good to actually be able to take it out and drive it around and stuff like that. Yeah, boy is so pumped, he's so pumped, I cannot wait. Woo, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right guys, so we are back home. For the meantime, before I wrap this video up, there's something I want to do, and obviously it's to fix this because this is annoying. Now people have said get a retainer. However, I kind of don't like the look of the whole long thingy that goes down like that. I don't know, I feel like it looks weird. I just want this to be up here. So I'm gonna do a hack job. All you need is just a zip tie, and we're gonna pop this trim off, and then I'm gonna try and zip tie right around here, and then put back on this, and it should work. Don't quote me on it, I don't know if it'll work, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Pop, pop, pop. Let's just take this off. Let's go ahead, remove this whole thing off. Ah! Alright, so here's this thing. What I want to try and do is I'm gonna makeshift my own, and I'm gonna put this right around here like that, and hopefully that this thing is big enough to hold it in place for when I put this guy back on. Look at this hack. Put the zip tie around the shifter, and we're gonna go ahead and put this guy over. Of course, lock him in place. Put this guy down, and it should stop like right there perfectly. Now the shift knob just goes right on top. Check this out perfectly. Boom. Cheap boy fix. Snap your boy back in. And boom, there it goes, boys. Zip ties save lives. Literally, zip ties come in handy for every situation. It is so weird not seeing the Delsol in the garage. It's just a big empty space now. But I know when she does come back, she's gonna be a completely new car. It's gonna be amazing. I cannot wait. I can't wait to see the color that I've chosen to be put on that car, and just seeing it in mint condition in general is gonna be so good. Honestly, it's not only about the whole color change, it's the fact that after this whole painting process, you know, just getting all the safety and stuff done, I know that I can actually start buying, you know, wheels, coilovers, you know, and actually start doing mods on the car. The next video you guys will probably see is a Q&A, so if you guys do have any questions or anything, please be sure to drop them down below, or let me know on Instagram, because I'll be posting a story about it soon too. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed, peace.